this year's modified video. So to apologise if you can hear the screaming through there, it is just a puppy. Nothing else. We're not creepy at all. Why did I say creepy? We're not dodgy at all. Anyway, right, keep it going, keep it going. So Audi R8 not something you work on every day, so pleasure to work on. And it's getting, well, it's been in for like a major service and such like before the guy takes it back out for summer. He goes to the ring quite often, so I think he's going back this year, and then I think he's also doing like a trip around, I don't really know where, Annan, Dumfries and Callum. Anyway, so while it's in, when he was last at the ring last year, just before he took it off the road, he got the discs a bit hot, so he walked them fellas. Not the best thing to be working when the price they are, but he decided to go for an upgraded set, which are your EBC, like EBC two-piece brakes, with EBC yellow stuff pads, and all through BNR HQ as well. Sick. Anyway, they actually work out a better price for upgraded than it does for genuine, so he opted for the upgraded, because why wouldn't you? So as you can see, that's the front brakes done. Everything's done in the R8, thankfully, and now I'm going to take it out. We'll get a couple of B-rolls, a couple of kind of sound clips and such like. So another video coming to an end with this particular car. Car behind me is straight from the body shop. R35 has been painted in Bayside blue. It's in for an as you can tell by over there, an underside restoration. That'll be featured in probably another video, just all bits and bobs. It's getting an array of bits, new frames, new arms, full titanium system, new discs and all sorts. And then the full underside's getting stripped back, coated and then raptored. So it should be pretty sick as well. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and you'll catch us in the next one. Stay jolly.